Hola, soy Juan Nieto. I will replace the background of this video with this image. Select both and save it to Files. Import the media. Drag the green screen video to the timeline. Input the background below. Open the inspector and fill the frame with the image. Jump to the Color tab, Qualifier tab, Qualifier 3D, and draw over the green screen. If you see a grade, select on Add a Qualifier. If this happens, go back. When the green screen part is completely white, click on these three dots, All Alpha Output, and connect the blue square with the round one. Click on this icon, and now you can see the first result. Remove the green screen outline with these tools. Here's the final result. Save this as a video, going to Export, Share, Save Video, and that's all. Gracias por ver. Hasta pronto.